What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It is currently 12 o'clock at night, and I'm kind of spontaneously making this video. The last video being catching you guys up on what's happening with the car yet again, whatever happened, the fluke it had, whatever. I mentioned that I was going to be pulling the PPF off of the car and paint correcting the car. So as you can see, got the car dagged on the garage, so I have a little bit more room to work with compared to it being parked straight in. I'm gonna start going around the car and taking a look at what needs fixed right now before I pull the PPF off. So I'm gonna start at the back of the car and then work my way forward. So obviously, as I've mentioned before, we have like a nick on the gas cap right there. We have this line right here, which, like I said before, there is no way that this GT500 just was not in an accident or sideswiped or hit by anything else before. That's some tar in there that I'm just going to try and get off, and then we're going to fill that in. And then that's just a gap over there. There you go. This whole line is not a reflection. That's scratch. But it doesn't catch your nail. It's smooth. And then obviously you get your normal like rock chips like that, and then I believe there's a few more on this door. I just have to go around and find everything. And the reason I want to pull this PPF off is because it is absolutely filthy and disgusting underneath. This one has been the problem child ever since, because I can't comprehend who would even put PPF over a scratch like that. And hopefully it's not deep. Hopefully not. I really can't tell if this one's just PPF or a scratch, to be honest with you. I feel like half of it's PPF and half of it's a scratch. But yeah, we gotta get this PPF pulled off. It's so filthy. All right, so we got this back trunk one filled in a little bit more after wiping it down and cleaning it out. It's gonna take just a few times for me to go over it so I can even it out correctly to the right paint depth, and then go over it with a little bit of clear. Now we're gonna go over the fender wells, as you can see, and just hit tar remover and adhesive remover and see how much of those are scratches or not scratches, and start in the fender wells now. And then, like I said, we're working our way from the back to the front just because of the PPF. I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out. Now we kind of actually, no way. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? So there was a scratch here. Somebody quite literally just cleaned. Well, actually, somebody painted over this scratch that was here and was just absolutely sloppy with it and used the wrong paint code. I thought that was going to be much worse than what it actually was. But you can see they didn't put any clear coat or anything over top of it, which is insane to me. Wow. Okay. So anyway, the initial reason I even got the tar remover out was to literally just come back here and get the tar and dirt off this fender, so I knew what was a scratch and what wasn't. Hey. So I have this bright idea, not to cut off the detailing of the GT500, but I'm painting the garage up because I want to put the Christmas tree up. Yes, I know, it's almost Jackson's first Christmas. It's almost Jackson's first Christmas, so that's super fun. We have the Christmas tree in the bag.
Sorry.
The bag. So I'm cleaning up the garage a little bit, and we're gonna move everything into the corner. I'm gonna turn the bike around, put the Christmas tree in here, and then we're gonna film a YouTube short, because that's the new thing nowadays, because...
Your eyes are so low in this video.
Well, what's that word?
Attention?
Yeah, attention span, there you go, high five. So, yeah. So, we're cleaning up the garage, not to skip the detailing of the GT500. That was last night, like 12 o'clock, as I mentioned. But I have a whole video idea planned, so... Ho, ho, ho! The Christmas tree's up. We're ready to make a video. A short, a TikTok, I don't figure. Those kind, yeah. I'm gonna detail in Christmas jammies now. Okay, so I'm a new day. New day. I don't know how much. $4.98.
I want it.
That's actually not a bad price, but like all of this in the wet snow, it's kind of weird
You
for
have a
me.
mansion with it.
Okay, so anyway, new day. I don't know if this is going in the same vlog. If it's not going in the same vlog.
There's a cow.
So anyway, new day. We're like kids in a candy store right now because I don't know. I thought this was gonna be all Halloween stuff, but even when we were here like 2 months ago, they are already doing Christmas stuff. Which this stuff excites me. I pushed my hairline back a little bit. I mean, it's kind of straight. It's fine. It's fine. I've been giving myself haircuts. I'm trying new things. So anyway, we're here for a Jack and Jack stands. So once we get said Jack and Jack stands, hopefully they have a low profile because something came in the mail today for the car, and I'm super, super excited because it wasn't supposed to be here for at least another week. America. Thank you. Coming in. $199. Oh my god. Okay, I get this one. Alright, let's go. W. Box in the hands, box in the hands. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go. No butt, right? No butt. You got no butt in that, right? I got no butt. We can't have the butt in the thing. Big one. This can stay here. Come on. Keep up. Come on. Let's cross. Let's go. See this bad boy? There's a Jack and Jack stands in here. Then you would never even guess it. Unless you...
I thought it was gonna hit me in the head.
What? All right. You made it so awkward. Lights. Did my shirt come on?
Oh my goodness.
Lights. Camera. Can you stop checking your... You're supposed to be recording me. Action. Yay. Alright guys, we are back in the garage. I ended up getting a creeper and a stool just because they were on sale, so. They didn't have them at Lowe's. They didn't have a low profile jack at Advance, so we ended up getting this kit off AutoZone. And what I'm probably gonna have to do, unfortunately, is drive the car up on blocks and then lift it because the low profile jacks are almost like $250, $300 just for the jack alone, for a low profile. And I'm not doing it. Like, you guys know, I'm cheap when it comes to things that don't matter. When things matter, then yeah. But I'm not gonna be using a jack all the time, so, right? So, we'll see if this jack fits under the car. I'm gonna go change into a set of play clothes, as you may. And we're gonna end up pulling the front bumper off and... Wait, I didn't show you guys. That's right, I didn't show you guys. We got something in the mail today. And I got a box. This is exciting. I got my headlights, and they weren't supposed to be here for another week. So, shout out to Morimoto. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I'm gonna put these on now. That's why I just got like $300 worth of jack stands and bench stool. Good day. Okay, so first things first, we're just gonna move that guy there. We're gonna open the stool first because we can sit on that while we build that. That might be, but I don't know. But yeah. Okay, well, that bit's out of the way, so we're just gonna never use those two again. Okay, okay, alright, that's one side. Why am I having so much trouble opening a box? That's a jack. Then yeah. You gotta lock this doohickey into here. Ta-da.